when I pull up in a show up. They gonna be sick of me. I go to a YouTube event this weekend too. What's up? New day, eating Max's Italian beef. We got some Chicago dogs. Yeah, buy you another. I don't know. Got the viral. Home Depot light. Because you want to know. What's up, YouTube? I got some goodies today. I know y'all. I don't know if I got a long form and said I got the viral Home Depot light. My mama bought it for me actually. And my husband was upset because for my birthday I told him that I wanted the ultra light. Okay, and he went and bought that. He just couldn't wait. But we got it and I'm about to unbox it. So I'm using my Home Depot light because we just got the other one and I have to unbox it. So yeah, I'm thinking I should record on my iPhone too so I can have short form content to tag this. So I'll draw a little bit, and if my background is really crazy, I'm gonna take this bonnet off just. Ooh, I'm planning on taking this hair down. I keep seeing the girls install it, but I ain't seen nobody take it out successfully where the hair was like salvageable, because you're supposed to be able to reuse this hair, and I didn't. I braided it in and I crocheted the pieces through. But I'm a hair content creator to start, so I can't keep no hairstyle for too long. Even if I wanted to, even if I try, I be trying, but then them emails get to coming and people be like, girl, and I be like, oh. But it's okay, because I got an event to go to next week. I had an event to go to this weekend in Atlanta, but it's supposed to it's supposed to be a snowstorm. And I'm not about to get caught up in nobody's airport or nobody's airplane. And I am pregnant, okay? Today I'm officially 13 weeks pregnant. Woo woo. And oh my God, the headaches have been coming on strong. Very, very strong. That's all so far. I've been a little more emotional. Like yesterday I didn't have a good day. I was feeling all sad and stuff. But other than that, you know, it's been going good. I wish I can get working out more. I need to, but it will come in due time. So let me turn this off. Seeing the ads. I know y'all be seeing the ads too. About the ultralight, okay? So I told my husband I wanted it for my birthday because y'all, I'm a content creator. I literally just got a light the other day from Home Depot, the viral $25 light, and he was like, "What the? Why would you get that?" And you know I was about to buy you this, but I had to get it to see. They say it's good for traveling, and actually now that I got this, I'm just gonna give it to my husband and he can use it for his content. So it came in a nice big old box. This had another box that it came with. It has like directions of read first, which I really like. You can tell that it's a family-owned company. They put like effort and time into creating this, and then they also do like a checklist to make sure everything works and everything is in the box. And I got the creator package, so it came with a tripod stand. And alone while I was asleep. Nice and durable, y'all. And if y'all know, like, I be needing these durable stands because my son, he broke everything. Like the DJI I got right now, the stand is broke because he broke. But it gets tall. Let's see how tall it can. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's still getting taller. Oh, is it taller than me? Oh my God, y'all, that is so nice. What? I'm really about to be cooking it up. Studio. That is a very tall tripod stand. Like, I never seen a stand so big and then it gets so small. I really like that. And it's very durable. Okay. Whew. All right, let's get into the main thing. Let's get into the main thing. Let's open this up. Ah! Oh, y'all, content creation is like a love and hate relationship. If I told y'all how many videos out of the videos I posted I really felt like posting, like, y'all would be surprised. Because your girl don't want to post and do anything. But you have to be consistent, and this is the lifestyle and life we said we wanted. So how we gonna get it if we don't do it, right? Okay. Light Your Story, the Ultra Light, all-in-one solution, light and portable. U-Light, BioColor, works with any device, okay? I got cameras, I got DJIs, I got phones. I needed to work with U-Light. Look at the case. Okay. When I pull up to the events, like, I'm here, I'm ready. They don't know I'm not here to play. That's what they want to know. That's what they gotta know. Oh. Meanwhile, in the DJI footage, you can see everything. Okay, whatever. It's so light. It don't feel... It's real. It's so light. I was expecting it to be, like, heavy. Okay, so it goes in the back like that. Ooh, got some booklet. What's this? Sticky. Light Your Story. Scan to spark. Next creation. Your favorite portable light. Made to hold but tripod ready. Tips. Stay topped off is a pro tips for peak performance. Stay topped off. Battery. Charge between uses. Full battery, full brightness. Like, they're all grown up now. And now it's learning how to use it. Okay. Let's see the back. So this is where, like, the phone or the DJI or camera goes. You can flip it, turn it. It has a USB plug, USB right here, like that it covers. I'm guessing this may be how you turn the brightness up and down. You can slide like stuff on here, like those little extra like portable cameras or those back facing camera things. Like I have a few of those somewhere. Don't know what that is. Oh, balance. Oh, hold on. This is separating. It starts separating stuff. Hold on. Ooh, let me turn my. Ooh. When I pull up in a show up. They gonna be sick of me. I go to a YouTube event this weekend too. Prepare to be sick of me. You say, oh, that's so funny. Oh, let me turn it down a little bit. Ooh, it warms. Ooh. Make it last forever. Oh, girl, you know. Alright, let me put my phone in there. Let's see what they really do. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Kay here, Vacay here, live in living color. Today we just got the ultralight. Ah! And yes, I'm using it. Y'all think people gonna be sick of me walking down the street with my shit like this? They like, who the fuck she think she is? I'm a star, I'm a star, I'm a store. Oh, I love this. Thank you, babe. Let's see it on a tripod. Before I got my Fashion Nova order, cause I'm trying to be in the light. I just wanna be like the last, cause baby, you're all that I had. So just in case. Ah! I'm taking you almost everywhere and hold the key selects. Oh, TikTok video, ayy, ayy. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. I love it. If I want to put my DJ on. Okay, so I be seeing everybody go crazy. I be seeing like, what's up, y'all? Vacay here. We about to do my hair. Let's see how long it takes to take these hair out. The girls be putting it in, but no one said how you take it out. Okay. I'll be back when I'm ready to take this hair out in 2 minutes.